Are you looking for a way to unblock Sora AI and get full access to the Sora AI video generator? Because it might be blocked for you. Because Sora is available worldwide, but still some part of the Europe and also some organization might block access to it. So if you want to get access for it, the best way is to get a VPN. VPN is virtual private network. It basically a software which can works within your desktop or even your mobile devices, whether it's Android or iPhone. It helps you to create a masking IP address from another country. Where because Sora is a separate domain, sora.com, it is still allowed in 100 plus countries. So what you need to do is, in case if you don't have access to it, they are blocking this by mostly IP address. You connect to one of different countries which they allow the access and start using Sora from that. So that is how you use it. VPN. I will give the best free, paid and also affordable VPNs list in the description. Click on it, go through it, find something relevant and suitable to you and try to start using Sora. Some important pointers to note it out. When you're using VPN, obviously the VPN quality matters a lot because you are no longer using VPN directly from your computer and start using Sora, because Sora itself a complex model. It is generating videos. So VPN speed might be very important. So if you are in a very tight budget, you don't want to spend it, free VPN is a good choice, but remember speed might be limited. Even access for this countries also might be limited. So in case if one country does not work for you, always try to go for another country. And also next, always make sure you clear all your existing cache data within your browser. In case you start trying to access this Sora, in case if it's blocked for you, all you need to do is try to clear cache and try to connect with different countries. And you go, I'll list out some of the countries which is allowed right now. Try to go after those country and try to connect it. Always when you're connecting to the Sora VPN, make sure that you are using one of the fastest server available for you. That way, even though you are using VPN, you still will get a good speed out of that. So make sure to use one of the desktop or mobile and use a mobile application VPN for a mobile, or if it's for a desktop, you can use a desktop application or browser extension. Most VPN providers give all these options. So give it a try and let me know if some VPN or particular server works for you or not. I will let you know. If you also any have other problems, do let me know and I will help you out. Thank you so much.